Okay, hang on. What do you think, babies? What do you think?
This is like a magic trick gone wrong.
Okay, how many people are in here? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
So basically, how does it go together?
Well, I gotta see if I can hold it. I think this is spring loaded.
Uh-huh.
So all you do is run it along here and push in and it snaps. And then you just push it over to the end. Same way for this side too. That's the opposite way. It's got this. See, that goes in. But when you get it on there, it seems really tight, but you just keep pushing and then it clicks in. And then you push it all the way to the end.
Okay.
But their directions are not good.
Not
They're
too
just
clear.
picture directions.
Right.
But I guess you can figure that out. So I got a pouch here.
But it does come with that kind of a fleece lined little pad. It's not that thick.
Yeah,
but,
right.
But it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's okay. And it's got waterproof stuff on the back. But they do say you can't wash this. And don't dry clean it. And don't bleach it and don't tumble dry.
Okay. Which?
So now you can go in the top or they have a
Well, we'll probably just
front.
put him in the top, right?
You can, or you can.
Also, with the mesh front on this, you can roll it up. It has like Velcro tabs on it. And it sticks to itself, so you can leave it open so they can have like their own little private area. That's with that one rolled up, and that's with this one rolled up.
Zip the.
Let's see how he's gonna like it. You might want to zip the top up. Either way.
Come here, bud. Come here, buddy. Okay, here we go.
Looks like it's gonna be big enough for him.
Oh yeah.
Plenty big enough. What's Riley weigh?
Riley weighs like
18 pounds?
16 to 18 pounds,
16
something
to
like
18
that.
pounds. And what size did we get? Did we get like the 30-inch? 30-inch long?
I can't tell you.
Okay.
Gosh darn it.
Well, we'll show it in the description.
We'll come back.
Oh, it has like carry straps, and it will show it folded up. It really is pretty nice. We're planning on taking this in our travel trailer, so if we have to leave for a little bit to run to the store or something, we can. And we have two of these, one for Riley and his sister Roxy.
It's got a shoulder strap.
Let's see how he likes it. He's used to being in a crate, so he doesn't seem to be too upset by anything. think he kind of likes it. You like it, buddy? Not that much. You want to try it, Roxy? Why don't you go in there?
Come on. Roxy, come. Roxy, come. In the cage. In the cage. Go on.
It's not a cage.
Go on.
In the
crate.
cage.
In the crate.
In the cage, you wild animal.
All right.
We'll leave it set up. We'll set both of them up and we'll let them get used to them.
Yep.
This is mostly where they like to lay too close to. We have to put up a little fence around the wood stove. Sometimes they want to lay right up on that hearth that's a little too close, so we block that off. So now we're going to open the other one. These are kind of big for in the travel trailer. We'll see. Oh, here's coming out of the box. Wow, that is pretty good.
Watch out, Riley.
Oh, I guess technically the blue is Riley since he's the boy.
No. Yes, I'm sorry. You're right. The blue is Riley's. Okay.
They're not really, in fact, they're actually a little bigger than the wire crates that we have. We just thought that these would be nicer and easier to put together than the metal ones, because sometimes those metal ones will kind of snap your fingers a little bit.
When you're putting them together.
When you're putting them together.
Yeah. Okay. So, that's the bottom. I'm just getting the rubber bands off of them that they have on.
And we bought these. Nobody gave these to us, and or anything like that.
So you got to pull this up.
Yeah.
That's the other corner.
Yeah.
Make them straight.
All right.
And then
You take the crossbars.
and you just
Well, that's pretty simple. Once you know
push
how.
it over.
And you kind of hear it click a little bit.
And then
And you just push it the rest of the way.
that makes it taut.
Right.
That's nice.
Okay, now let's back up and see the whole thing here.
This one actually feels tighter than the gray one.
Mm-hmm.
Roxy, this is your baby. This is yours. Here we go. Woo! Okay, we're gonna close you up. There, darling.
Yeah, they're used to being in a crate, so they don't freak out. They were both crate trained as puppies. They don't spend a lot of time in a crate nowadays, but it doesn't seem to bother them.
Okay, sweetie. How you like that? That's yours.
We'll probably leave these.
Oh, this is Riley's. That's right.
Yeah, we'll probably leave these set up. Oh, and this is this is Amazon Basics, which I don't know if that ever means that much, but
And this one has probably this too.
yeah.
You know, it seems like this one's smaller than this one.
It's the trick of the eye, the difference in the color. They're exactly the same.
Yeah, they are exactly the same. This one's yours, honey. This one over here is yours.
So I forget how much these were. I guess it varies from time to time.
I think they were like
$65 each
that's
or
what I was
something
gonna
like
guess.
that.
They were
Yeah.
in the 60s. Come on, Rye. Come on, sweetie pie.
So hopefully they won't chew their way out.
We'll see.
I don't see any reason why they would. They look like they're pretty comfortable.
Oh, she's scratching already.
Uh-oh.
She says, "Let me out."
Uh-oh. Well, you better put her in there and teach
Get
her
in
not
there.
to.
Come on.
You little rascal.
Come on, get in there.
You better get in there, little
She
missy. Now, you be good. All right.
Well, actually, they're going to be facing each other.
That's right.
There you go. Too close.
All right.
What do you think there? kitties?
So what do you think, Julie? What do you think you think they're good?
I like them better than the metal ones.
Yeah.
They'll be a lot easier to put together. Now, whether she scratches out that screen, I'm not sure, because she's a scratcher.
Well, it's called Gorilla Tape. we can fix it.
We'll see. Yeah, we're going to try it.
And so what we mean by metal ones, we have some here in the other room. This is what we mean by metal ones. They're just the standard regular dog kennel crates.
Okay.
Of course, we have the nice Kong pads. We might actually put those in. You know what? We'll take these Kong pads.
Well, let me see if they fit.
I believe they will.
Let's try one.
Yeah. These are the standard 24-inch
waterproof Kong mats.
Kong mats, which would be great because they I'm sure they can be washed.
Well, let's try. Now wait, babies. Well,
Oh, they're pretty. They're pretty small. They're not nearly as big as the.
no, but we could put them on top of it.
Yeah, to make it even cushier. That would definitely make it softer.
Hey, sweetie. What do you think of that?
Yeah, she's used to that. She doesn't mind going in on that. We probably could have put them both in the same crate, but I don't like that idea.
No, she wouldn't either. There you go, bud.
You like it in there, buddy? Huh? You like it in there? Well, say something.
She says now that you put the mat in there.
I like it all right, Daddy. You're not Tucker. I don't care. I can talk too. Just because Tucker talks don't mean I can't talk.
Look, she just went in his. What do you say? You want your cushion in there too? All right, let's go get it, Roxy. All right, let's go get your cushion. Yeah, let's go get it. You're so smart.
She went in even with the thing hanging down.
She's something else.
Now we're going to see how that folds up with that pad in there. Probably not so good.
I guess they'll go down either way, but if you want it to snap,
Oh, right. You got to put it down,
the
right way. So you fold it all in like that with the snaps on the same side. That way you can click it together.
Yeah.
And do you have the Kong pad in there?
Yeah.
Oh, that works perfectly.
Well,
I always have a hard time with those plastic clips anyway.
I would sooner use these straps.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
And I'm not carrying them with them,
Right.
with them in there. And they got a pouch here where you could put maybe dog food or whatever. And a pouch here to put their leash or something. I don't know if you would. We're not planning on leaving them in there. And they also have like a tag.
Oh.
You can put their name tag. I don't know if you can.
Tag holder or something.
Yeah,
You put a water bottle
of water.
in there.
Yeah, I don't know if you can ship them in a crate like this.
Oh, I don't think so.
Well, why? I don't know why they would have an ID tag.
Oh, I don't know. I'm going to go inside.
Oh, with Riley.
Yeah.
Hello.
Now go ahead. Get all the way in. I'm going to zip you up. To show you how roomy these things actually are.
Come on, Riley. Come here.
Now get Roxy there with you.
Come on, Roxy. Come on. Me too. Watch out. Coming through. Yeah. Oh, we had fun, didn't we? Yes, we did. Yes. I just want to prove to you, it's a great place to go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll have fun. Oh, yes, we will.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching, and keep watching for more videos. There's going to be more,
bye-bye.
and you will love every one of them. I guarantee you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.